Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Scarfinger, and I am going to do a back to the basics painting. I am still playing with the better paints. I got some Artist Loft with me today because it seems to work out a little bit better for me than the Liquitex Basics. So I have metallic white, some crimson, because the Liquitex Basics that I have, it's not really very red, so I went and got something that was a little bit redder. And I got some phthalo blue and old gold. So like I said, I'm going to go back to basics on this painting. It's going to be a puddle pour, and these are the cups already made up. I know I've gotten feedback from the other videos that I don't do a whole lot of what happens before the camera turns on. I'm going to rectify that a little bit later, probably when I have a better microphone. So I'm going to do the painting. Remember, before I forget, like, share, subscribe. I started a different YouTube channel just for the paintings, and I'm going to share this there. Well, I'm going to share this video in both places first, but remember, go to YouTube, PTCAC, for Peace Through Colors Arts and Crafts. Also, Facebook.com/PTCAC for the Facebook group. And if there's something that you want to purchase, holla at your boy that way. I'm working on more things like a specific website or possibly an Etsy page. Everything is kind of up in the air right now. So if there's something that you're interested in, holla at your boy. I'll get it figured out and I'll get everything working. There's something on this canvas. All right, so I'm going to try to do limited cuts on this because, you know, people want to see how this is actually done. So I got a 12 by 12 canvas here, and we're just gonna get this thing popping. So I'm going to do a puddle pour. I am going to start with the light colors first. For some reason, I still cannot get the white to really work the way that everything else works. So I'm going to start with the white and the gold in the puddles. Now this is a metallic color. I was going to do all metallics, but then I figured I'd try to work out something different when it came to the metallics. So I'm just starting opposite corners with those colors. I am going to put the red in the white initially. A little bit off center, but it'll be all right. And another thing that I'm not going to do for this painting, I am not going to swipe it. I may do some filling in, switching some colors off eventually, but I am not going to swipe this. It's going to take everything in me not to swipe it, but that's what I want to do because that was not what it was not what I did initially. It was just straight puddles. So I want to do something back to basics. It's going to be a little different. It's different for me going back to this way of doing paintings, but I think it'll be all right. So I'm doing 2 sets of those puddles, and then I'm going to trade them off for one, and then I'm going to tilt. I didn't mean to drop that there. All right, so now that I have those squared away, I am going to switch them off. I'm going to start with some white in here, and there, and then I'm going to put the gold in here, and there, and I'm just doing one set of I'm going to do one set of those. So I'm going to take the red, put the red in here, red in there. Try not to drip too much. And put some blue in here. I think I have a little bit of paint left. I think I might do something else on a smaller canvas, but that is to be seen. That's for a different video. So the puddles are all straight. Now it's time to tilt, and let's get it. I don't exactly know which way I really want to tilt. Let's just do 4 corners. And there are chunks. All right, let's see what I can do about these chunks. I do have here. Yeah, the blue is chunky for some reason. That sucks. I was hoping I wasn't going to get a lot of chunks. Looks like I do have some, which is not the worst thing ever. It's just not the best. Let me tilt back and get a little bit more this way. I also am very, very much considering changing my pouring medium back. Well, I know a lot of people do. A lot of people don't do the glue part of the pouring medium. So I've been thinking about either not doing glue or going to a different kind of glue. Tilt that back. I still didn't actually get that corner. And check the sides. Corners are pretty terrible looking. It's been a little bit since I actually really got on here to paint. So I'm just kind of going around dabbing corners at this point, making sure that my sides are covered. For the most part, everything is covered. But it's kind of a work in progress. I think for the most part, until I get this mixture right, I may end up going back to craft paints because it seems to work out a little bit better for me. I know, there are a lot of artists on here that do a whole lot of things in a lot of different ways, and they seem to work very well with these paints. It just isn't working very well for me. Like all of these little tiny cells and stuff like that. It's not really what's hot on these streets for me. I would like it to look and feel a little bit more solid. So I think there may be some changes coming, but I'm going to put this on. I'm gonna pause the video, go wash my hands, let this sit for a few minutes, and then we'll come back and we'll do a close-up. Okay, we are back, and this is a close-up of the painting after a few minutes. Like I said, those lots and lots and lots of teeny cells are not really it for me. I know people love cells, but not a huge fan. You can see right there, that dark clump right there, that's where the blue kind of clumped up on me a little bit. And then there's bottom corner, there's a huge white cell right there that just came through. I don't even know what happened there. And it's the only large version of the cell, but I like how this looks. I like how the colors mix together. I like how everything looks. I'm just not a huge fan of the cells. So I need to go back and rework my pouring medium while mixing with these better paints, because this is not what's hot on the street for me, and I would like something better for my paintings. So like I said, like, share, subscribe. You can see me through my come up, I guess you could say, while I try to get everything straight for these paintings and just do more art. I think that's the most important thing. Even though I'm disappointed with the sales, it still was a good painting and it's still been a good day. So please like, share, subscribe on YouTube. Go to the Facebook page, facebook.com/PTCAC for Peace Through Colors, Arts and Crafts. This is your boy Scarfinger. Holla at your boy. Out of here. Peace.